video number 4. Watson in 50s cruising car, truck, and bike show. Okay, so I don't know what this is considered a bike, but it's got wheels.
Best vehicle.
There we go. Super nice. The 99 Minion. Oh my gosh, he's down. Let's go fix him. He's taking a nap. Let's fix him. Well, we had to have a little fun for the kids today.
They have that Orlando Muncie. I've never been there either.
Folks, there's still a little bit more time if you want to go down and check out everything going on.
Hey, look at that. Carly's doing a video too.
The field is full. Everybody's chilling.
Did you hear him? Field's full. Everybody's chilling.
Hey.
Teamwork.
We had a chicken dinner in here today. 120 chicken dinners. All right, basket raffle. Lots of fun stuff. This park is beautiful. Just outside the show field. Pavilions and picnic tables. Lots of room to park. We're definitely going to do some more shows down here. Dick, the park president's over here. Cooking up some dogs, some fries. Good deal. All right. That's a wrap. See you soon.